So how do you set Safari instead of the Google on iPhone? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. Well, if you're using multiple different web browsers, you can choose the default one. Of course, it's in the main settings app where at the bottom of the main page, we have the apps section. And from those apps, we need to find Safari. Like that, you can see we can just look that up through search or through the letters on the side, but then the default browser is available to be selected. So if you have like multiple browsers, like the one from Google, like the Google Chrome, or even others, right, those can all be selected as the default one. So you need to make sure you set it to Safari. As you can see, the little description is telling us that Safari will be used to open links and browse the web, right? So that's the main option. A little thing which you might also check out, right, is the default search engine. And you can see that, again, we have the ability to choose Google or even something else, right? So it's not the browser, it's the search engine, right? So we are still using Safari, but whenever you are looking something up and you don't have the precise URL, like you don't type in, for example, apple.com, but you just type in Apple iPhone into the search, it's going to use Google or any of these selected search engines, right? So that's like the whole point. And you get to manage it right here. So let me know if this is what you are looking for. If it worked for you, just leave the thumbs up. But if not, just let me know in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. But stay tuned by subscribing so you do not actually miss it. And I'll see you later in those tutorials.